Hello, and welcome to this brief demonstration on how educators can use BrightLink interactive displays with Google Meet to create and share content to students that are learning remotely. First, let me explain the setup. I have a BrightLink interactive display attached here to my computer. The connection is made easy with an HDMI cable for audio and video and a USB cable which allows the interaction between the BrightLink display and the computer. Because my PC is attached to the display, the images are mirroring one another, allowing students in the classroom to view content on the large BrightLink display, while students at home can follow along with Google Meet on their Chromebook screen. And because my BrightLink allows me to control my PC from the display, I can start directly from my board. Today, I am starting the class by selecting my Google Stream. And when I'm ready to join, I select Join Now. On the other side, the students click on the same link from the classroom stream to join. Today, I've invited a colleague to show you how this works. We're now connected and able to see and speak to one another. Next, I will share a Jamboard that I've created previously. I do that by clicking on the link that I've included in the classroom stream. To get back to the classroom stream, I select the Class tab at the top of my screen. And then I share my Jamboard. Because the remote students can hear me, I can instruct them to do the same on the other side. As I've just shown from my PC, I can switch back and forth from the classroom stream, the Jamboard, and the Meet tab, where the students can see me. By using the tabs at the top of my screen, the students can easily switch back and forth on their device as well. So with myself and the students connected to the Meet, I can start my lesson by sharing the Jamboard. The lesson today is on birds and mammals. I can start by selecting a pen tool and creating a simple chart. So here I'm dividing into two groups, birds and mammals. So what are the characteristics of birds? Well, birds have wings and feathers, while mammals have fur, teeth. So now I can lead the class in a conversation about these attributes. Next, from the top of the Jam, I can switch the page to a card sort game that I had created previously to see if the students are understanding the differences. With the selection tool, I can then begin moving those to the appropriate side of the chart. If I want my students to join in, I can ask them from home to touch the images and move it to the appropriate side of the chart. Once I feel they have the hang of it, I can reveal further pages that I've created where students are divided into teams. Each team has a page, and they can work together on their assigned page to complete the sort. If I want to share my screen at any point, I can do so from the board by going to the Meet tab and selecting Share Screen. Here, I can access a Google slide that I've created previously in preparation for today's class. When I share it and instruct the students to move to the Meet tab on their device, they can also see the slide that I've created. If I want to share a document or an object from a document camera, I can do so by accessing Easy Interactive Tools, which is the free software that is included with BrightLink. So I go down here, I'm going to open my toolbox on Easy Interactive Tools. I will select the camera, and it's going to initiate my document camera here. And then when I maximize the image, now all the students in the classroom can see the display on the BrightLink. The students at home can also see it on their Chromebooks. When I'm ready to wrap up my lesson, all I need to do is close out of the camera, and then if I'm going to close my Google Meet session and my Jamboard, I can just close it out on the browser by selecting the X. I hope you found this video helpful in illustrating how you can use Google Classroom and Meet tools with your BrightLink display to lead classes with students both in the classroom and learning remotely. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for choosing Epson.